Say, so I would suggest starting them in whatever position they're going to start in.
Yeah.
Start sitting or kneeling.
Yeah, the only time you get to handle a gun here.
Okay.
Weapon locked and loaded. So that would be at the shooting point, wouldn't it? Yeah.
So you're starting already sitting and kneeling.
Yeah, you're already at the.
Okay, clear to load and lick ready.
Do I holster it?
They said starting in position, so you can kneel and, or you want to just stand here and start it.
No, it says to either kneel or sit or kneel.
Okay. Assume position and I'll start you. Shooter ready?
Do I need to be through the port or,
Yeah.
okay.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. And throw reload. Okay, unload and show clear. And we're clear.
Yeah, you get to have your weapon out when you get to
14, 18.
Okay,
clear.
downrange, slide forward, pull
Hammer
trigger,
down.
and holster.
Okay.
So are we drawing from the holster then, or are we
No, we start them in position.
in position? Okay.
Are we gonna clear this thing? Or?
I'm not sure how to clear it.
Okay.
I think it just starts over when you hit the button. Try to hit the timer.
Okay.
All right. If you would holler out the
Okay,
scores,
gotcha.
I'll repeat them to you.
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
2 Charlie, Alpha
2 Charlie, and Alpha,
Alpha
Charlie,
Charlie.
did you say?
Yeah.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, you know what?